Hello everyone, I'm Asiri from CS Labs. Today I have a laptop repair. This is HP 15AU laptop. So my customer said this laptop is not responding to charger. So let's try to fix this laptop. First of all, we will disassemble this laptop and take the motherboard out. Okay, first of all we will check our coil impedance using multimeter. So let's do that. Okay, we'll check the ground connection. Oh, it's okay. So let's check one by one. It's okay. This one okay. This one okay. This one okay. This one okay. No issue. I think impedance are good. Okay. It's not okay. RAM section is okay. So we didn't check 19 rail. Oh, 19 rail is very low, very low. This is bad. So we have to find this. Okay, 19 rail is shorter. Okay, let's use thermal cap to find this shorted location or shorted component. So we will inject some voltage. So I inject around 0.8 volt. Also around 500 milliamperes. I think that is safe for the motherboard for any section. Let's do that. Okay, wait until my thermal cam is getting on. Yeah, it's on. So let's try. Let's find the location. Okay, I decided to inject voltage this electronic cap. So we'll inject and check. Is the location? Is the location getting heat? Actually, I can't find location. Let's do more. Can't find. So let's remove these rams and check. Again we'll check. There's the location. I can't find. Let's try other side of the motherboard. We'll inject to the power into the CSR. It's safe. Let's do. Who is taking this power? I can't see. Okay, enough. Let's remove the heatsink and check the CPU. I think CPU is getting power. Okay, let's inject power and check the CPU status. Okay, I think CPU is taking power. I can see the heat spots on the thermal image camera. Yes, CPU is getting hot. So this is very bad. In this type of situations, most probably CPU get damaged. So I think there is a issue in the CPU power section. Let's check. Let's set again impedance in CPU and 19 sections. It's very similar impedance of 19 section and CPU power section. Also between the 19 section and CPU section, this impedance is very low. That means they are interconnected. Let's check these MOSFETs which are delivered power to the CPU section. I think we need to remove one by one and check the impedance. So let's remove this MOSFET. Apply some flux and using the hot gun we can remove this. So we have to remove these FETs one by one and we have to check the board impedance. Okay, we have removed this FET. Then we'll check the impedance. Oh, I think we are a little bit lucky. The removed one is the shorted FET, so we can continue our mission. Unfortunately, I don't have this FET to replace, but I have another FET in my donor board. I checked both data sheet, so those are matched with each other, so no issue. We can replace it that one. So we will remove that FET from the donor board and then we can solder back into our board. Okay, we have removed it. Okay, I think we have soldered properly. So let's apply some heat. I think fit is on the place. Okay, soldering part is done. Then we can check the impedance before the clean. I think impedance is okay. We can give power and we can check it. I think we can only keep a hope because these type of damages most probably damage the CPU. But let's keep it hope. So I am going to clean the board using IP. Let's clean properly. Okay, we are done. Then we can put the board back into the laptop and we can check. Okay, it's time to check the board. Let's give the power and check. Oh, board is starting. It's a good sign. Let's see. We can hope. Oh, board is restarting. I think he's going to give the picture. Yes, we have done the job. Oh, I'm very happy. So I think we rescued another laptop. So I have fit the laptop and I think Windows is loading. Yes, no problem. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.